welcome to Akshatas recipes. Hope all of you are doing fine and having a great day. Well, today's recipe is a very short and sweet recipe. It's very easy to make. It's just chicken sausage pizza. It's something that you just put together, when you're hungry, in between meals, or you want to give your kids for their tiffin box, you want to carry it to office for your tiffin, or you just want to put a snack together for some, guests that have come home unexpectedly. Now this, I am using a ready-made pizza base, but you can make your own pizza base. I will be coming up with a recipe shortly on how to make your own pizza base, your own pizza sauce. But in this recipe, I'll be using ready-made stuff because it's just putting stuff together and getting a snack ready. So for those on the go or people who don't really have the time to make all of this, it's like a ready-to-make meal. So I hope you like this short and sweet recipe. Leave your comments in the comment box below. I would love to know what you added to the pizza that I am going to be showing you guys. And do give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. That way you will support Akshatas recipes, and it's completely free, guys. And join Akshatas recipes family by subscribing, and don't forget to hit the little bell that you see down there, because then you won't miss out any of the recipes that I'm going to be coming up with. You'll get a message for the same. And visit Akshatas recipes. I have more than 240 recipes, and I have created playlists so that if you're looking for a particular recipe, you can just go to that particular playlist. Like I have playlists for breakfast items, I have sweets and desserts, lunch and dinner, veg items, non-veg, Goan recipes, Maharashtrian recipes, South Indian recipes. It's just many playlists, so you have a big array of dishes to choose from. So without much further ado, let's just get ahead and go on with this short recipe, guys. Friends, let's see what ingredients we require for this simple and easy chicken sausage pizza. We are going to require some pizza bread, some ready-made pizza bread, some sausages which I've cut up into small circles, 1 onion cut into cubes, 1 capsicum cut into cubes, a cup of cheese which has been grated, some pizza seasoning, some pizza pasta sauce, some chili flakes, and some oregano. Now we're going to preheat our oven to about 180 degrees Celsius, and I've lined a baking tray with some baking paper or butter paper. So let's start making this very easy and quick pizza. Now in a pan, I'm just heating about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to pop in the sausages, give them a little bit of a fry, a minute or two, and then we're going to just season this with some pepper. Now they already have salt in them, but if you want to add some salt, you can go ahead and add some salt. But fry the sausages till they're nice and cooked. So that takes about a minute or two. And once that is done, we're just going to leave them aside. Now we've taken our pizza bread and put them on the baking tray. We're going to put about 1 tablespoon each of this pizza pasta sauce. Now remember, friends, this is something which you just want to prepare quickly. I will have a recipe I will come up with a recipe for making pizza dough at home and pizza sauce at home. But this is something which you just want to make instantly and just eat it because, you don't want to go into cooking something really big and you don't want to spend a lot of time in cooking. So now once we put the pizza sauce onto our bread, we're going to just put a little bit of onion, which we've chopped up into cubes. Then goes in some bell pepper. Now you can put, the colorful bell peppers, red and yellow, to make it look even more pretty. And now we're going to add the lovely sausages. Now you can even add some corn to this pizza. You can add a little bit of bacon, a little bit of ham. whatever toppings you like. It's really up to you. And now we're just going to season this with a little bit of chili flakes according to your taste as to how much of spiciness you would like, and some oregano. And now we're just going to put some pizza seasoning, which has all the herbs in it. And then goes in a load of cheese. Now I'm using the normal processed cheese, but you can go ahead with mozzarella or the cheese that you normally like to add to your pizzas. And now all we have to do is just pop it into our preheated oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. And here, voila, our pizzas are ready. Just let them cool down a bit, and then just cut them up and enjoy. So this was one of the quick recipes, something which you just have to get together in less than half an hour. So do try out this instant pizza recipe and do let me know how you liked it. Leave your comments in the comment box below as to how your pizza turned out and what toppings did you add to your pizza. Now, like I said, I've come up with a new sequence of quote for the day. So let's see what today's quote for the day is. Well, today's quote for the day says that life is about moments, and don't wait for them to happen. You create your own moments. Do things that make you happy. Do things, be with people that make you happy. So create those moments in life and make your life better, more beautiful. Surround yourself with all things that make you happy, the people that make you happy, and make moments every day of your life. So I hope you like this thought for the day. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. That will let me know that you like Akshata's recipes and you're looking for more videos and more recipes. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. You might have to log in into your Google account or YouTube account to do so, but please do take the time to do so. And then, of course, if you haven't hit that red subscribe button yet, guys, please hit that red subscribe button. And that really goads me on to keep on going on with my channel and putting up recipes for you, because I know that many of you believe in me, the ones that have subscribed. So I want to increase that. So please hit that red subscribe button. Support Akshata's recipes. It's completely free. Do visit my channel. I have a load of recipes. And I have created playlists for them. So if you're looking for a breakfast item, you can click on the breakfast playlist. If you're looking for sweets and desserts, there's a big selection of sweets and dessert recipes. There's baking, there's cakes, there's Christmas recipes, there's Maharashtrian specialities, there's Goan recipes, a load of recipes. And of course, once you have subscribed, don't forget to click the bell, because that way you won't miss out anything that's happening on Akshata's recipes. You'll get a message that I have put up a new recipe on my channel. So friends, do share my recipes with family and friends. And with all of this said, I would like to say thank you for watching my videos and being a part of my channel and giving me such good feedbacks. I love the comments that you all post down, and that really goads me on to keep my channel going. So this is Akshata signing off for today and today's recipe. I will catch you in my next recipes, guys. So take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.